Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove the exhaust manifold from this V6 Camry 3.0. I looked online for quite some time, but there were no videos on how to remove the rear exhaust. All the videos that I found were based on the front. The reason I'm taking the exhaust manifold and the catalytic converter is because I'm having a misfire on the rear three coils, ignition coils. So bank 2 is misfiring. I changed the coils, I changed the spark plugs, I was able to lift the intake manifold, but then it kept doing it. I kept getting the 1, 3, and 5 misfire. So the next thing that I thought, I came here and I saw there was some carbon deposits here, and my thinking on this is that they had before I got the car, they had the coils go bad. They drove it, and then because the fuel wasn't burning, it clogged the catalytic converter, so it's clogged right now. That's why I'm getting a misfire on those 3. So the car starts. It's hard, but it starts and then it shuts down. So I want to show you guys how to remove the exhaust. It's a pain. It's actually not so easy. I couldn't find any videos online, but I already managed to loosen up the 3 bottom bolts. Okay, and before I do the top ones, I just want to show you guys how I'm doing it, because I know it's gonna help some of you guys. Okay, so I have this extension ratchet here. It's for you use it for the serpentine belt. Okay, and then I connected these extension tubes to a 14mm extended socket. So let me get in here. I can show you guys how it's okay. See guys, so I have 3, I think it's 3 screws on the top. Yeah, there's 1 there, 1 and 2. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how this is connected. Okay, let's see. So I have small one, another big one, another small one here, there, that one, and then another large one, and then I have this extension tube. It's a 14mm. So that's the only way you're gonna be able to reach. And for the bottom ones, I did have, when you do the bottom ones, I used this one. Okay, you can put some tape so that it's not too loose. Okay, because it might be a pain in the ass. Okay, so make sure it's not or you can get the one with the spring. Okay, that one might work better. But yeah, that's all you need. And then you have to remove this pipe here. It's not hard. So this pipe goes there, it goes in the manifold. So you go there. So you have to remove those 2. It's 10mm. I use the regular 10mm socket, the ratchet, and then you have to remove those 2 that one and that one, the whole thing came off. But that's basically what you, so you remove that one and then remove the bolts for the intake on the top, and then these ones. Okay, so make sure you put some oil there, that way it's not like, most of the time it's gonna be rusty, so it's gonna help when you remove it. Okay guys, I hope this helped out some of you guys, because I know there's no videos online that tell you how to remove the catalytic converter on this car. So I'm gonna show you the update and see if it works after I clean this catalytic converter. Okay, thank you guys. Give it a like and subscribe.